Hello, boys and girls. This is Ms. Monroe, your visual art teacher. Today we're going to be doing a lesson involving the element of shape. The element of shape is very useful. We use it all the time. In fact, a lot of you probably know about it from math. Dun, dun, dun. Anyways, there are different categories and shapes, but today we are focusing on one. We are focusing on what is called geometric shapes. Now, geometric shapes are shapes that have rules, like a square, a triangle, a circle. You have other shapes that also fit into this category. We're going to be using them today, but not for what you think. So for today, you need a pencil, a piece of paper, and something to color with, like markers, colored pencils, crayons, whatever you have available to you. Now, if you're in a classroom, you can spin a wheel with all the different shapes, or you can call on different students and hear what shapes they would like to do. But since we don't have a wheel, we are going to start at the very bottom, and I'm going to start with an oval. Now, this bottom shape, we don't want it to touch the bottom. We want it to be just above. We want some space, but we don't want it to be small either. So I like to freehand it. It doesn't have to be perfect because remember, we are learning. That's how we do things. Now, that's shape number one. On top of the oval, leave some space. You can make a square, you can make a circle, you can make a triangle. You need to make 6 different shapes. 1, so here's a square. 2, my oval is so big, I could put another shape right here. 3, I could put a heart. 4, I could put a crescent. And I could put a circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what we're going to do with these is we are going to turn them into birds. We are going to find the bird hiding in the shape. Now birds have a couple things in common. They all have legs, they all have wings, they all have beaks, eyes, and feathers. So you can have your eyes of your bird looking forward. You can use your lines. You can put your wings on the side. And your birds can be standing on each other. It's kind of funny. And then I'm just drawing those details, making sure all my birds have wings, eyes, beak, feathers. They could be singing. Okay, just draw all those details. My early finishers, you can even go, my birds are standing on a wire. My birds are in a tree. My birds are flying and it's nighttime. Think. how can you be creative? Eventually, after drawing all the super fun details of your bird, you get to color your birds. You can take out any colors you want. You can use multiple colors. Remember, they are birds. You can add fun details, but eventually it'll be fun making your own set of shape birds. There you go. There's the details. I hope you have a fun time.